Okay, this is going to be the 5-hour change of the Honda HRX217. I did start by I've disconnected the spark plug. I don't have a whole lot of gas in here right now, but to help minimize any spills, I'm actually going to put a little baggie on there, and you heard it snap. I did allow this to run for about 5 minutes to hopefully help to heat up the oil a little bit. And then I have an old to-go container that I'm going to use to catch the oil, and then I'm going to actually put it back into the container. What I'm going to do now is flip this over and allow this oil to drain. Okay, beautiful. So as that's draining, I'm looking over here, and this is why I went ahead and disconnected the spark plug, just to avoid this having any chance to start up. I'm just looking at, kind of the deck, make sure I don't see any broken, damaged parts. The blade still looks good. Like I said, this only has 5 hours of run time on it. Here's the belt that actually turns. So just looking that over, making sure I don't see any frayed parts to it. So I allowed it to drain for a few minutes. I'm going to add this. It's 12 ounces of the Honda 10W30 motor oil for the lawnmower. Okay, not using a funnel again, so be careful pouring it in. I'm just going to hold it here for a few seconds. Okay, then we just add the oil dipstick back in. I want to look at the level real quick. And yep, it's right at the line. So now it's good to go. I don't know what the next maintenance cycle is. I'll go ahead and I'll add that to the video in this bottom corner right here. Take the little plastic bag cover off. Reinstall the spark plug wire. I heard that click in. And the final test. Okay, so that was super easy. If you guys have any questions, don't forget dropping down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.